So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of data in table. And if you want to search for some data, especially when you have a lot of data, then you can go around over here on the bottom where it says search and then type in what you want to search. So let me just type in MA, and then what happens is that it highlights the data with MA, as you can see right here. I can press enter and it goes to another iteration of MA right here. So similarly, you can go around right here, search from this area, or what you can also do is you can go around over here and then go to home, and here you can see find is an option. Once you click on find, it opens up this dialog box right here, and here you can see MA is already here. Let me just go around onto the top, and over here if I were to click on find next, it goes right here, as you can see. Let me just find M right here just like this, and find next, and it finds M. So you can look in current document or in current field. So when you choose current document, what happens is that if you were to type in 19 right here and click on find next, it'll go on to the other field as well. But if I were to go around into current field right here and type in MA and click on find next, it says it does not find any data on this particular field because we are limited to current field right here. You can choose match right here. So it says right now that any part of the field can be matched out. So if I were to press 1 and click on find next, it actually finds that out. But if I were to go around and say whole field and click on find next, then what happens is that it finds the exact number right here. So if I were to click here, it says it does not find 1 anymore right here. So you can choose what you want to search. And over here, you can also search up or down. So it searches for all over the data table when you select all right here. So if I were to go around and then type in 19 right here, click find next, you can see that it searches all over right here. So go find next. Just like this, it searches all over. You can also search up, so it actually goes back and search. And if you were to click on down, it goes only forward right here. You can also select match case. So right now, if I were to turn this off and type in, let's say, for example, BER right here, and click on find right here, it actually finds BER. Type it in capital letter and find next, it finds BER. But if I were to choose match case and click on find next, it looks for that exact case as well. And that is how you can search for the data you want inside of an Access database table. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.